Alright, I already know what this is, and you guys already know what it is, but those of you who are new to the chat, I'll explain it again. I'll let that one sink for a minute. The only thing is, I can't get full use out of it yet because the modem comes tomorrow, so I gotta wait till tomorrow to be able to actually fully use it. But we can set it all up today and I can play around with it and everything, so that'll be awesome. Yeah, so if you don't know what the LiveU is, this is a piece of technology that will allow me to make it where I can stream in places that I haven't been able to stream before because of either not having like the right phone signal or whatever. So this modem is gonna connect to it and it's gonna let me bond multiple connections. So instead of it just using like one Wi-Fi or like one cell phone signal to get data while I'm out streaming, I can put up to 3 different devices. So I can take the speeds from all those 3 devices and put them all into one in a cloud server, and then it shoots that off to like YouTube or Facebook or whatever you want, and you can live stream at like better resolutions instead of just using your cell phone signal. And like half the places I go here, because I'm out in the middle of nowhere, it just lags or it looks like it's like extremely pixelated video, and it's just really frustrating, and I end up not even streaming when I go hiking with Luna. So one of my plans was I was going to take this LiveU, and since it's small, I was going to try and build a little baggie or something for it that I can strap onto Luna's harness. Remember the harness that I just got for her from One Tigress? It's got all this Velcro on the side. So I was going to Velcro this, and then maybe she can be the very first live streaming wolf dog in the world. I will put the backpack on her and we'll go to some remote places. As long as I have internet signal with my modem, I'll be able to put it on her or on me, and then we can walk around and I can show you the really pretty views and the cool places. When I go to meet with other friends that are in bands and stuff, I can live stream it, and it'll actually be good quality where you guys can watch it, so long as, you know, the modems have the correct signal. So let me open it up, because I've never actually had one of these before and I've never used them before, so I don't even know like what it fully looks like in the box and everything. It's a box within a box. Maybe there's a box within that box. The one I got was the LiveU Solo with the HDMI connection. They make 2 different versions. They have one that has an SDI connection for some cameras, and then they have the one with HDMI, like it's got HDMI and SDI. And then this one is just HDMI, because my cameras that I'm going to be using are going to be like, you know, little action cams like GoPro and stuff like that. So that's going to be the only connection I really need. And the other one's more expensive anyway, so it didn't make sense for me to get it. Oh, are these stickers? Yeah, they are. Cool. They got these little stickers I can put maybe I can put one as a patch on Luna's vest when she's walking around with the LiveU. I also want to do a bunch of tutorial videos on this and kind of talk about, you know, all the different capabilities of it, and there's a lot of things that I want to test it out that nobody's ever done before, so we'll see whether or not it works. So this is the little pouch, I guess, that it comes in. Alright, so I see here's a network cable, and then you got the power in here and a USB 3, it looks like, connection here. The other side has the HDMI and another USB 3. These are for the modems. And then there's, I guess, a headphone jack here if you want to have headphones on to check your audio levels. And here's the part everybody wants to see. Peeling the plastic off the screen. Look at how shiny that is. See, this is what I've been streaming with. I've been streaming with a cell phone on a tripod, as you can see in the reflection there. And the whole point is to actually stream with higher end quality equipment, you know, to make them better. And I can go other places instead of just staying home streaming all the time. Because this is the only place I really have Wi-Fi, so I can't do it properly without lagging out. So yeah, this is pretty much it. This is the box that I would strap onto Luna and see whether or not it would work for her to stream in the woods and stuff when we hike. Alright, let me see what else is in this box. This is a cool little bag. I like it. And it's got these little straps for the modems and stuff on the sides. I think that's where they hang off. And then this just holds it in. Yeah. Alright, so it came with the HDMI adapter. It looks like a extension cable. And then this must be the battery and charger. Yeah, so here's a charger. Oh, the battery's inside. Battery's already in the unit. Okay, cool. There's the power cable for that. And then here's two extensions with L cables that come with it, so you can attach the modems to it if you have the little USB modems. That way you can kind of put them off to the side. So what happens is it kind of works like this. You have it plugged in to the LiveU, and then you can come back here and then put the modem in one of these straps. So you can have like two of them there, you know, like one here and one on the other side. It's pretty cool.